Hello guys, welcome to another video. I made frittata with plantain before, and in this video I'm making it with potato. So as usual, I have all the ingredients, the vegetable which I have chopped, and the first thing I'm going to put on the cooker will be the chicken. I'm going to fry that with almost no oil. Once it's fried, I'm going to take that and put it aside, and let's get the onion and garlic in, then followed by the pepper. And make sure all these things you don't overcook them, and you want to add some all-purpose seasoning, salt, and perhaps some dry pepper. Okay, so the carrots and bell pepper, tomatoes go in now. So this is an experimental journey. You can add anything you want. Add in the chicken and of course the potato at some point. Just going to stir all that in. I'm going to grate in some cheese. I'm going to make use of 3 eggs for this. You should use more if you want to use more. If you want it, that's fine, really. I added in some dry pepper, black pepper, some salt, and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning could go in there also. So I'm gonna whisk that all together, make sure that the cheese is scattered, and I'm just gonna drop it all in. You want to shake it up a little bit to make sure that the egg gets to the bottom. Please encourage my channel by subscribing if you haven't. Thank you. And you can cover it briefly, and once it's a little bit solidified under, you want to add in spring onion. I added some lettuce also. You could, like I said, experiment, or you can choose to add anything you want. So I flip this over by covering it with a plastic plate, and I do the flip, and once it's done I slip it back in the pot. You only need to flip this once, and of course you will know when this is ready to eat. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please encourage me by subscribing. And I'm not a chef in any way or anything of a professional cook, so if you find anything weird about what I'm doing, send in your comments, and I really love to hear from you guys. Yes, subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and let's keep this going. Till next time, ciao.